Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Regine May Gineros, 30 years of age. I am single, no children, from San Rafael, Iloilo City, Philippines. I am a Roman Catholic and I am the eldest among my siblings. I have 4 brothers and 2 sisters. My educational background is a high school graduate. I am not afraid of the dog and cats. I love to cook, I can follow recipes, and I can cook Western, Filipino, Chinese, and Korean dishes. I am currently working here in Singapore as a full-time domestic helper for almost 6 years with the same employer. My contract will end in January 2026. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple, and 2 girls ages 7 years old and 9 years old. My main duties are taking care of the kids, make sure their safety, teach them a proper hygiene, prepare their meals, feed them, shower them, play with them, read the storybooks with them, help them to do their homeworks, prepare their lunchbox for school, wake them up in the morning, and prepare them to get ready to go to school. And aside from that, I also do a household chores such as ironing, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, washing the toilet, cleaning and tidy up the house, gardening, car washing, and most especially cooking. To my dearest future employer, if you have given me a chance to be hired in your family, I will do my best to do my duties and responsibilities to serve you well. I am honest, patient, hardworking, able to follow instructions, willing to learn more things, can easily adapt new environment and new different cultures. Mom and Sir, I am looking forward to work with your family. I will treat you like my own. Thank you and God bless.